Hello guys, this is Minecraft there, and today I'm playing TLC pay-per-view. Two main events we have Chris Jericho and Booker T World Heavyweight Championship, and John Cena and Triple H the championship. And we don't want our entrance. I want us to do the entrance, so take the entrance off. Normal, fast. Let's get started. Okay. And it lands on Triple H. So, hard decision. This is a good one. Dang it. Triple H. Okay, Triple H's decision. Sorry about that. I think who to pick. And now I decided, so it's all good. By the way, guys, this is the PS3 version, not the Xbox version that I was playing before. So, way different. Oh dear. That's not good. Oh, John Cena is doing pretty good in this match. But not for long. Not for long, that will be happening. Oh. And this do it. Oh, that must have hurt John Cena. Okay, John Cena. Oh, DDT reversed. Get that wood. Come on, yes, another running DDT. Oh, John Cena reverses. Oh man. Yes, reversed. Come on. Oh, clothesline. Oh yes, now it's time. Come on. Yes. Face first, oh yes. DDT on that ladder. DDT on that ladder. What a glorious move. I think that's where I used it. Oh, John Cena. Oh. 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 Come on, get up. Knee to the head. And get. Let's just go. Come on. Oh, man. I was looking for that pedigree. John Cena gets a DDT on me. How did I just mess up on that? How did I mess up? Oh, I had it in the bag. Alright, now you've made me mad, John Cena. Oh, dang it. John Cena getting some momentum. Oh. suck it. Going for that pedigree. And he hits it. Pedigree. Pedigree. Oh. Accent. Oh, John Cena gets that punch in the stomach. This is going to be a very even match, guys. Oh. Yes. Neckbreaker. Spinebuster. Whoa. Nice momentum by the game. Triple H going for another pedigree. It's time. Another pedigree. Another pedigree. Yo, John Cena get locked up. John Cena with a blooded head. John Cena can't. Oh no, the game's gonna fall on that ladder. Oh, the game falls on the ladder. The game's hurt. The game is hurt. Now John Cena taking advantage. Oh. Guys, this is a very great match. 2 pedigrees on John Cena. He's still sticking in this match. Uh-oh, now Triple H getting that tail. I think it's time to get some wood. He's gonna put him through some wood. Oh! Can Triple H do it? Triple H, oh. Oh my god. Triple H is down. Oh, close line. He hits him with it. He does it. I don't know how. Yes, he hits him again. He hits him one last time. John Cena. Oh no. Through the table. Through the table. Oh, John Cena. Oh. John Cena, Triple H was gonna finish him off. Oh, John Cena taking once again control of this match. Clothesline! Clothesline connects. Let the beat put through the table. Here we go, the game. The game is going up. Yes. Oh, John Cena. Another clothesline. Neckbreaker. Oh, that's all. Oh my god. He's going. Oh, Triple H. Triple H messes up on a Spinebuster. The game, oh, the game was this close. The game had it. Oh, another, oh, John Cena reverses again. Oh, here we go, the game. The game gonna do it. Is the game gonna do it? Here we go. He's reaching. Oh. The game did it. The game did it. The game holds the title. John Cena messes up and proclaims and loses his title. Well, guys, you just witnessed history. Triple H is WWE champion. Thank you all, guys. Thank you. See you next time.